Avenue, Managing H5P Activities. Many of the Avenue PBLA modules arrive with H5P learning activities. This video will help you manage these activities in the courseware. This example uses the PBLA module Communicate with Your Landlord, CLB 3 to 4. First, the learner clicks on the H5P Learning Object link. The H5P Learning Object opens. After the H5P Learning Object opens, the learner reads the introduction slide and clicks on the navigation icon to start the activity. The learners read information or attempt the activities on each slide. In some cases, they click on the check button to see their score. On other screens, they read the instructions, then listen to and repeat the terms. Learners continue moving to the right until they open the second to last slide. On this slide, learners are prompted to continue to the final slide to ensure that their grades are recorded. This is a very important step. After the learners have clicked on the last slide icon, the summary slide displays their results. If learners select the Grades link in the course navigation menu, their grades will appear. Instructors can click on the Grades link in the course navigation menu to check learners' grades. Instructors can also return to the H5P activity page and click on the Attempts link in the top right corner of the screen. This will display the attempts for all the participants in the course.